What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Beginner's Workout Guide, Foundation to Strength Training, Episode 3. Today, we're going to be going over training frequency. In the last video, we went over the different kind of exercises you could include in your workout routine. We also went over the differences and the benefits of compound and isolation exercises. If you have missed that video, I have linked it down in the description below. Do check it out. In today's video, we're going to be building upon that and go over training frequency. Basically, how many times a week you should be training each muscle group for optimal gains. And based on that, the kind of workout split you could follow depending on the number of days you can work out in a week. So I'm going to keep it very simple, beginners friendly. I'm going to give you my suggestions, my opinions, and hopefully you find it informative. But hold on, guys, before we move ahead, a lot of time and effort goes into making these videos. So if you could just take 2 seconds and click on the subscribe button down below and also smash that like button, it would mean a lot to me. Now let's jump into the video. As a beginner, I'm sure a lot of you would have heard or followed the train one muscle group per day routine, or also called the bro split. I remember when I started off, I used to do this a lot. I used to train chest on Mondays, back on Tuesdays, shoulders on Wednesdays, biceps on Thursdays, triceps on Fridays, and Saturdays. Most of the time I would skip it, but Saturdays was my leg day. So if you have followed this routine or currently follow it, it basically means that you are training each muscle group once per week. Now, will this get you the results that you desire? Absolutely. But is it the most optimal way of training? So without getting into too much depth, studies and research has shown that training each muscle group with higher frequencies of about 2 to 3 times per week resulted in greater muscle growth than training them once per week. So to break it down even further, you will see results irrespective of what training frequency you use, whether that is training each muscle group once per week or multiple times per week. But in order to maximize muscle growth, I would recommend training each muscle group at least 2 times per week. Personally, I used to follow the bro split initially when I first started out, the first year or so in my fitness journey, and I did make progress. I mean, as a beginner, anything you do, it is going to shock your body and you will see results, also called as noob gains. But once I started to learn more and gain more experience, I switched it up with higher frequency splits, and that's when I started making even more progress in a shorter period of time. With that being said, you also don't want to train each muscle group too frequently, say like 4 to 5 times per week, because that is going to interfere with your muscle recovery and that is going to cause adverse effects. You want to give each muscle group at least 48 hours to recover before you hit that muscle group again. So I would say the sweet spot would be not more than 2 to 3 sessions per week. Therefore, you would want to choose or create a workout split that basically follows this rule. Now, there are so many options when it comes to creating a workout program for muscle and strength, but here I'm going to give you a few examples based on the number of days you can go to the gym. All right, so here is an example of a 3-day, 4-day, 5-day, and a 6-day workout split. And by no means are these the only workout splits that are out there. Like I said, there are many workout programs out there. These are just few examples to help you guys out. So in the 3-day workout split, this is basically a good workout program if you're pressed for time, or even if going to the gym 6 times, 5 times, or even 4 days a week is a major inconvenience for you. So as you can see, each day you're going to be hitting all the 6 muscle groups. It's a full body workout program. So through this routine or through this split, you're going to be hitting each muscle group 3 times per week. Now let's move on to the 4-day split. As you can see, day 1 is upper body. So basically you're going to be hitting your chest, your shoulders, your back, your triceps, and your biceps on the upper body day. And then day 2 is lower body. You're going to be hitting all parts of your leg and also a bit of your lower back. Day 3 is a break, and then day 4 is again going to be upper body, and day 5 is an upper body. Day 6, day 7 is your rest days. Now let's move on to the 5-day split. Here you can see day 1 is the push workout. So basically all the push movements. That includes your chest, your shoulders, and your triceps. And then day 2 is going to be the pull workout, all your pull movements. That includes your back and biceps. And day 3 is your leg workout. Day 4 is rest. And then day 5 and day 6 is upper body and lower body day. Again, here you're going to be hitting each muscle group 2 times per week. Finally, the 6-day workout split is basically day 1, day 2, day 3 is your push-pull leg, day 4 is a break, and then day 5, day 6, day 7 is again push-pull leg. You'll be hitting each muscle group 2 times per week through this split as well. So this is basically what I used to follow for about 2 years pre-COVID. I used to go 6 times a week to the gym, but now I have reduced it to 5 days and I follow a 5-day workout split. Hopefully that was helpful and informative. If you enjoyed the video or even learned something new from it, please do share this video with others, with your friends, with your family, so that we can all grow and learn together. Next week, I'm going to be going over warm-ups. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.